We will be starting hurricane season in 3 days on a quiet note. Still active out to our west, and we're still getting disturbances moving in from Texas. Trying to figure out exactly where they go has been the tricky part. But we do have one disturbance to our north, but enough instability, and couple that with daytime heating, where we've had some showers and thunderstorms blossoming on the north shore especially. But both sides of the lake are getting some rainfall. A little heavier though north of the lake as they continue into southern Mississippi. Thankfully everything below severe limits. You may get some brief downpours. Had a downpour that settled over New Orleans east for a time earlier. Rain gone, but a street flood advisory remains in effect only because of still maybe some low-lying areas with a bit of standing water. A few spotty showers elsewhere have been popping up, and we may still see more to come over the next couple of hours before probably after about 7:30 to 8 o'clock rainfall coming to an end, and then the rest of the night will be dry. I think kind of the same for tomorrow. Our best bet at scattered showers and thunderstorms will be just the afternoon heating, maybe bubbling up a few or more, maybe about a 20 at the most, perhaps 30% chance, but I will explain why it looks like more storms that come out of Texas may stay a little bit farther to our north and east during the day tomorrow. Our satellite showing the cloudy skies, though, at least if you don't get the rainfall, maybe you're getting a little bit more cloud cover. The nasty wasp up on our camera. 90 degrees our current reading, and dew points haven't been ridiculously high. Yeah, I would still describe it as muggy, but not where we were just a couple of days ago. And today's high was kept a little bit closer to normal at 91, not like yesterday's 96. And our morning low, 72. That was thankfully really for the rainfall that we had late last night that really helped to knock our temperatures down. Had we been in the 80s yesterday evening, it would have been a much slower decline in our temperatures during the early morning hours this morning. And kind of the same thing, those that are getting into the rainfall, Baton Rouge at 72 degrees, boy, that would be nice. 80s and low 90s elsewhere across southeast Louisiana with dew point values in the 60s and 70s. So there is a bit of a heat index outside at the moment, pretty typical for late May. And light winds, although within some of those showers and thunderstorms, you will at times get some gustier winds, although thankfully everything's staying below severe limits. As we've been mentioning over the last couple of days, the storm trajectory, the storm path over the next several days is really taking any disturbances out over Texas and moving them either to our west or at times they move in our direction. And it does become somewhat difficult to figure out exactly where kind of the next round of storms will be moving. One thing we can use is kind of the gradient between the drier air and the more humid air. Now we're in the very humid air across southeast Louisiana, but dry air is not too far off to our east. And generally speaking, these complexes of storms kind of follow along that gradient. Now as we head into tomorrow, it looks like moisture is going to be increasing even more farther north and east, which means if we do see another complex come out of Texas tomorrow, it'll probably stay more north and east of us as opposed to the system that we have kind of moving in central and southwestern Mississippi right now. So our rain chances tomorrow pretty much only driven by daytime heating. Plenty of moisture in the atmosphere with dew points into the 70s and a lot of daytime heating. In terms of a complex of storms moving our way, probably won't see that happen until Friday and more so into the weekend. Don't want to wash out at this weekend. It doesn't look to be a washout, but certainly a better opportunity for some of those scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. Today, it's kind of the upper disturbance and normal daytime heating helping get our shower chances going during the afternoon today. Tomorrow, though, while this model a little bit more aggressive with scattered to numerous showers and storms kind of firing up, that would be great. But I think it's going to be mainly more of the 20, maybe 30% variety, kind of typical to our summertime chances as we head into the afternoon tomorrow. Friday, about the same, but it does look like we'll hit this complex of storms that should help us out a little bit more so, an upper disturbance for our Saturday and Sunday rain chances, and then equal rain chances as we continue through early next week.